Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your Signal account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your device. Once the app launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it to access your account settings and profile options. After tapping your profile picture, you'll be taken to a new screen with various settings and options. From here, tap on Account to proceed. This section contains all your account-related settings and is where you'll find the option to manage or remove your Signal account entirely. Now, within the Account section, tap Delete Account at the bottom. This is the critical option that will allow you to permanently remove your Signal account from the platform. Tapping this initiates the account deletion process, so make sure you're certain about this decision before proceeding further. Once you've tapped Delete Account, you'll see a drop-down menu appear on your screen. This menu contains a comprehensive list of countries from around the world. Browse through the list carefully and select your country. This step is necessary because Signal needs to verify your account based on your registered phone number and country code. Next, you'll need to enter your phone number in the designated field. This is the same phone number that's currently registered with your Signal account. Entering it correctly is crucial as Signal uses this information to confirm that you're the rightful owner of the account you're attempting to delete. Make sure to input your number accurately to avoid any issues. After entering your phone number, tap Delete Account to finalize the process. This is the point of no return, so double-check everything before confirming. By tapping this button, you're giving Signal the final confirmation to proceed with permanently deleting your account, and that's it. This action unregisters your phone number from Signal and permanently deletes your account along with all your messages, contacts, and data associated with it. Your Signal account is now completely removed from the platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.